Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the topic classification of computers. This is lesson number 2 of class 4 and this is the third video on this topic. You have to watch this video carefully and do the exercises given on last page. Topic is classification of computers. See the chart. We have studied about the computers which are classified according to purpose and according to size. According to purpose, we have already discussed analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computer. According to size, in the previous videos we have seen supercomputer, mainframe computer and mini computer. Today we are going to discuss about microcomputer and mobile devices. Classification of computers according to size, that is the subtopic. First is microcomputer. Description: a microcomputer is often called a personal computer. In short, we call it PC. The most important part of a microcomputer is microprocessor. This is also called CPU or central processing unit. This is called brain of the computer. So we can say CPU is the brain of the computer. Peripherals such as keyboard, mouse and monitor are the parts of a microcomputer system. Size: designed to be small enough to be used by a single person. It can easily be placed on a table. Location: it is mostly found in offices, homes and schools. Speed: speed of a microcomputer is increasing day by day. Uses: microcomputers are used for creating documents, keeping records, etc. Now see, desktop computer and notebook computers are the types of microcomputers. So the examples of microcomputers are desktop computers and notebook computers. We call it laptop also. First one is desktop computer. A desktop computer is a computer made for use on a desk in schools, homes and offices. A desktop computer is designed in such a way that the system unit, input devices, output devices and all other devices fit entirely on a desk or a table. You must have seen desktop computer in your home and school also. So it can be easily placed on a table and very easily we can use it and operate it. Next is notebook computer. We call it laptop also. A notebook computer is a small lightweight computer that we can easily carry from one place to another. A notebook computer has a built-in keyboard, mouse, touchpad and display screen. Portability is the best feature of a laptop. It's quite light in weight. We can carry it easily from one place to another. It comes with charging facility. We can charge the battery and as per the model, different backups are available. So we can use it outside also if there is no power supply. Mobile device. Description. Second category is mobile device. Mobile device is used to store data permanently on memory inside it or on small storage media such as memory cards. Size: small enough to carry in a pocket. It's very small in size. We can carry it in a pocket. Location: it is mostly found everywhere. Nowadays mobile devices are very common. Speed: speed of mobile device is increasing day by day. Uses: it can also be connected to a personal computer for exchanging information. Now let's see the examples of mobile devices. Tablet PC, we call it tab also. Smartphone, e-book reader and smart watch are the types of mobile devices. Let's take the first one, tablet PC. Tablet PC is a special type of notebook computer which has a touch screen. You can use a tablet by touching the screen with your finger or a digital pen. Smartphone. Smartphone is an internet-enabled phone. In addition to basic phone, it allows you to send and receive email messages and access the internet, usually for an additional fee. So if you want to use internet on your mobile, you have to get it recharged. Many smartphones also function as a media player and include an inbuilt digital camera so that you can capture an image and share it with others. So most of the houses we are having smartphones and people are taking clicking with photographs, making videos and sharing on the social media platform with family, friends, everywhere. E-book reader. An e-book reader, short form of electronic book reader, is a handheld device that is used primarily for reading e-books. E-book is the electronic version of a printed book. Most e-book readers have a touch screen and are internet enabled. It's a very good device, especially for students, and the screen is also very supportive, and if a good ebook is available, you will really enjoy reading this book on ebook reader. Smartwatch. Next is smartwatch. A smartwatch is a mobile device with a touchscreen display designed to be worn on the wrist. It can either work on its own or paired with a smartphone. It can show you the time and notifications like messages, emails, calls, and social networks. This is not only used for checking the time, but if it is connected with your mobile, it will give you the notifications also. If some call is coming or some message is coming or email is coming. So in today's video, we have studied about classification of computers, basically microcomputer and mobile device. In microcomputer category, we have discussed about desktop computer and notebook computer, that means laptop computer. In mobile device category, we have discussed about tablet PC, means tab, smartphone, ebook reader, and smartwatch. Now exercises are there. Basically 4 types of exercises are there. Write the correct answer. Question is given, 3 options are there. One is correct, you have to write that particular word. Fill ups, then true false you have to tell. Then 2 questions are given, you have to write the answers of these questions. Hope this video was helpful for you. Take care, keep smiling. God bless.